In this video, we will discuss how to use platform models in Leonardo AI tool. This is the Leonardo AI app homepage. This is where you will find platform models. Look at this: Diffusion, Dream Shaper version 6, Deliberate, and more. These are all featured models. You can use all these models to generate images. You might get better results. Leonardo Diffusion for better shading and contrast. Dream Shaper version 6 is so awesome. You must try it. Deliberate is also awesome. There are more. RPG is very powerful model. With this model, you can generate a character's image. So please try it. And then vintage style photography. This is a very impressive model for photography. Realistic images are generated by using this model. And then many more. Leonardo Creative, Spirit Creatures, Character Portraits, Paper Art Style, and Leonardo Creative is quite good, and many more. So I choose RPG model for generating image. I have generated this image with RPG model. I have used some detailed text in the prompt, and you can see this text, some detailing in the words. Please note. And then see this image is generated. Uh, Look at this superhero image, a character, RPG character. I really liked it. Uh, Very impressive. You can see the image of a superhero. Similar, you can also generate an image of an RPG character or superhero or something. Friends, I would like to say another thing. This is just the beginning of AI. We have to keep learning about tools from time to time. Thank you.